Today we're going to learn a line dance called the hustle. I'm going to do it first and then I'm going to break down each step and help you do it too. So here's what it would look like. And that's it. This is considered a line dance because you've hit all 4 walls as you're dancing. So the hustle is a really fun dance that you see a lot of the times at weddings or family get-togethers, backyard barbecues, lots of celebrations. It's a pretty popular dance. Now we're going to break down the dance step by step. You're going to follow along and do it with me, so everyone go ahead and stand up. We are going to start going towards the right. So you're going to step, cross, step, then you're going to do step, cross, step, back to the right. So it looks like this: step, cross, step, step, cross, step. Okay, let's do it 2 more times. We're going to start going towards the right: step, cross, step, step, cross, step, step, cross, step, step, cross, step. Again, step, cross, step. Last time, step, cross, step. Okay, so that is the beginning of the dance. Now, after you get back to the left, you're gonna head backwards. So it will look like this: step, cross, step, step, cross, step, feet together. You're gonna step back with your right foot. 1, 2, 3. When you get to this position, you're gonna tap your left foot. You're gonna bring your hand around, and as you come down here, you can do a little snap, a clap, and you're gonna tap your back foot. So this is the tricky part. You're gonna go back and then forward toe. Okay, so let's start from the top and we're gonna walk through that one really slow. We're gonna start with the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. Forward. Backwards. Okay, so let's do that from the top again. Start with the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Backwards. 1, 2, 3. Snap. Forward. Snap. Backwards. Okay, once you get to this back position, your foot is up like this. You're gonna put all your weight on your right foot and you're gonna bring this left foot up into a skip, and that's how you're gonna turn to face your next wall. So it looks like this: step, skip, land. Now you're gonna go directly into 3 steps to the right, 3 steps to the left. So you're gonna start all over again. So let's start from the top. Okay, feet together. We're gonna start 3, 2, 1. Backwards, forward, backwards, skip. Bam. So now we would go 3 to the right, 3 to the left, backwards, forward, and we're going to continue doing that. So now let's see if we could run through the whole thing facing the wall you're looking at and then facing the left wall that we're going to turn towards. So we'll start from the top. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Step, cross, step, step, cross, step, backwards. 2, 3, forward, backwards, skip. Skip. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Backwards. Stop. Forward. Back and skip. Then you would go 3 to the left, right, 3 to the right. Okay, so let's walk it down slow motion this time. And we're gonna do 3 walls this time. So we're gonna go to the wall we're facing, the left wall, and then our back wall. Okay, we're gonna start going to the right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Backwards. 3, 2, 1. Forward, backwards, and skip. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, backwards, 1, 2, 3, step forward, back and skip, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, backwards, forward, backwards and skip. And now you're on your last wall. So you've almost completed a full rotation of the hustle. Okay, now let's hit all 4 walls. We're gonna do it regular speed. This will be our final run through. If you did not catch on, you can watch this video as many times as you need, and you can also slow the video down by clicking on settings, and you can actually pick the speed. You can go faster, you can go slower. Okay, here we go from the top. We're gonna start going towards our right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go backwards. 1, 2, 3, step forward and back and skip. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, backwards, forward, backwards and skip. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, backwards and skip. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, go backwards and forward, backwards and skip. And then you would be starting all over again. And this is what the hustle looks like. So next time you're at a wedding and Stevie Wonder, My Eyes Don't Cry No More comes on, you can do this dance with your family, with your friends, and celebrate. I hope you enjoyed it, guys.